Subject Mathematics, Standard 8, Chapter number 4, Altitude and Medians of a Triangle. म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाचे शिरोलंब व मध्यका. In previous standard, we have learned that the bisector of angles of a triangle as well as the perpendicular bisectors of its sides are concurrent. These points of concurrence are respectively called the incenter and the circumcenter of the triangle. म्हणजेच कोणाचे दुभाजक एक संपाती असतात व त्रिकोणाच्या बाजूचे लंबदुभाजक एक संपाती असतात. त्यांच्या संपात बिंदू अनुक्रमे अंतर्मध्य आणि परिमध्य असे. अल्टिट्यूड म्हणजे शिरोलंब. The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of the triangle. Here, in the figure alongside, in triangle ABC, AP is an altitude on the base.
Class 8, Chapter 4.
See the figure.
Altitude
as
and
below.
median of a triangle.
In triangle
In the last
ABC,
video,
here
we have studied about
there are three
altitude
altitudes.
and median. The
These
link
are
of that video
concurrent.
is given in the description.
The point of concurrence is called
Subject
Ortho
Mathematics,
Center
Class 8,
and it is
Chapter 4.
denoted by the letter
Altitude and median,
Median.
of a
median means madhyaka. The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called a median of the triangle. In triangle HCF, segment FT is a median on the base CH as shown here. D is the midpoint of side SC or segment SC. Here, observe the figure. In triangle ABC, there are three medians. These are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called centroid and it is denoted by letter G. From above discussion, we know that the altitude of a triangle pass through exactly one point. That means they are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called orthocenter and it is denoted by letter O. The orthocenter of a right angle triangle is the vertex of right angle. The orthocenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in exterior of triangle. The orthocenter of an acute angle triangle is in interior of the triangle. Above median, the median of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the centroid and it is denoted by letter Z. For all type of triangle, the location of centroid means G is in the interior of triangles. The centroid divide each median in the ratio 2:1. Practice set 2.1. Observe the figure. In triangle LMN, blank is an altitude. Here, segment LX perpendicular to opposite side MN. Therefore, segment LX is an altitude and segment LY joining the vertex L and midpoint of the side MN. Therefore, segment LY is a median. Therefore, answer is segment LX is an altitude and segment LY is a median. Practice set 4.1. Question number 2. Draw an acute angle triangle. PQR. Draw all of its altitude. Name the point of concurrence as O. First, draw an acute angle triangle PQR. With the help of ruler, first draw base QR. Then draw segment QP. This is triangle PQR. Measure of each angle is less than 90 degree. This is an acute angle triangle. Let us draw the altitude from the vertex P to opposite side segment Q1. Put the set square along the side QR and one side on the point P as shown here, and draw the altitude from point P to opposite side Q1. Segment PA is the altitude. Draw the altitude from the vertex R to opposite side Q1. Put the set square on side PQ and the other side on point R as shown here. Then draw the altitude from vertex Q to opposite side PR as shown here. Put the set square on side PR and other rectangular side on point Q. Here, segment RB is the altitude of triangle. Segment QC is also altitude of triangle. All three altitudes, segment PA, segment RB and segment QC, are concurrent, and their point of concurrence is denoted by the letter O. This is also called ortho center of the triangle.
8. Chapter 4. Altitude and median of a triangle. In the last video, we have studied about altitude, draw its median and show the centroid. First, we have to draw obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? Measure of one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. म्हणजे practice set 4.1. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STU. Draw its median and show the centroid. First, we have to draw obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle? Measure of one of the angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या एका कोणाचे अंशात्मक माप म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाच्या एका कोणाचे अंशात्मक माप हे 90 अंशापेक्षा जास्त असेल तर त्याला obtuse angle triangle असे आपण म्हणतो. We first draw obtuse angle triangle. Let us draw triangle STU. Let measure of angle T is 120 degree. In triangle STU, segment ST is base. Let us draw segment ST with sufficient length. Name the segment. Here, measure of angle T is 120 degree. With the help of protractor, draw the angle of measure 120 degree at T. Put protractor on the segment ST in such way that line of reference along the segment ST and center of the protractor on point T as shown here. Measure the angle 120. Here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 110 and 120. Take a point at 120. Here, remove the protractor and draw a ray passing through the point at measure 120 degree. This is ray TK. Take point U on the ray TK and join the point SU. This one is required obtuse angle triangle. Measure of angle T is 120 degree. Then, second part of this question is draw its median. What is median? The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. म्हणजेच त्रिकोणाचा शिरोबिंदू व समोरील बाजूचा मध्य बिंदू जोडणाऱ्या रेषाखंडास त्रिकोणाची मध्यगा म्हणतात. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला ट्रायंगलच्या ज्या साइड्स आहेत त्याचा मिड पॉइंट आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. Put the pointed tip of the compass on point S. Take sufficient distance, half and more, and draw an arc above the side ST and below the side ST. Then keeping same distance, put the pointed tip of the compass on point T and draw circular arc intersecting first arc. With the help of ruler, join the intersected point. Give the name of this point. We give the name XY. This one is the point X, this one is the point Y. Joining the point, draw the line. Put the ruler on point X and Y. The point of intersection of the side ST and line XY is the midpoint of the side ST. Give the name A. This one is the point A. Then again, find out the midpoint of side SU. Repeat this process, putting the pointed tip of the compass on point S. Take sufficient distance, half and more, and draw the arc on both the sides of the side SU. Keeping same distance, put the pointed tip on point U. Draw the arc intersecting first arc. The point of intersection of the two arcs, give the name. This one is point M and point N respectively. Join this point with the help of ruler. Line MN intersects side SU at point, we give the name point B. Therefore, point B is the midpoint of side SU. Then find out the midpoint of side TU. Again, repeat this process. Take sufficient distance and put the pointed tip on point T. And draw an arc on both the sides. Then again, put the pointed tip on point U, keeping same distance of the compass, and draw an arc intersecting first arc. Give the name of the line. This one is line EF. Line EF intersects side TU. Give the name of this point. This one is point C. Therefore, point C is the midpoint of the side TU. We know that median means segment joining the vertex of a triangle and midpoint of its opposite side. Let us join the segment of midpoint and vertex of a given triangle. Do it one by one. This one is the draw the median SC first by joining the vertex S and midpoint C with the help of ruler. Segment SC is the median of triangle STU. Then draw the segment UA joining the vertex U and midpoint of the segment or side ST. Then draw the median TB by joining the vertex T and midpoint B of the side SE with the help of ruler. Observe the figure here. Segment SC, segment TB and segment UA are the medians of the triangles STU and they are intersect at one point. We give the name point G. Point G is the centroid of the triangle. This is required figure. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitude and denote the ortho center by O. First we draw obtuse angle triangle LMN. We know that obtuse angle means measure of one angle is greater than 90 degree. So let us suppose that in triangle LMN, measure of angle LMN is equal to 110 degree. Let segment MN is the base of the triangle LMN. First draw the segment with convenient distance 9 cm distance to draw the segment MN. Name the segment EMN. Draw the angle 110 degree at point EM. Therefore, put the protractor on point EMN in such way that line of reference along the side EMN and center of the protractor on point EM. Segment EMN Standard 8 Chapter Subject Mathematics Standard 8 Chapter number 4 Altitude and Medians of a Triangle. Draw its altitude and denote the ortho center by O. First we draw obtuse angle triangle LMN. We know that obtuse angle means measure of one angle is greater than 90 degree. So let us suppose that in triangle LMN, measure of angle LMN is equal to 110 degree. Let segment EMN is the base of the triangle LMN. First draw the segment with convenient distance 9 cm distance to draw the segment MN. Name the segment EMN. Draw the angle 110 degree at point EM. Therefore, put the protractor on point EMN in such way that line of reference along the side EMN and center of the protractor on point EM. Segment EMN is right of the point EM, so count the degrees from 0 to 110 from right to left. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Take a point at 110 degree. Remove the protractor and draw the rays from point EM and the point at 110 degree with the help of ruler. We know that ortho center of the obtuse angle triangle outside the triangle. So extend this line on the both the sides. Measure of angle EM is 110 degree. Take point L on the ray. This one is the ray EMT. Take point L on the ray EMT and join the side LER. First we extend the line EMN with the help of. The second part of this question is draw the altitude and denote the ortho center by O. So using set square we draw the altitude. Altitude means perpendicular drawn from vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. Here first we draw the altitude from vertex EL to opposite side EMN. Put the set square as shown here. One side of the set square on side EMN and other side on the vertex EL as shown here. Draw the altitude from the vertex EL to opposite side EMN and extend. Then again draw the altitude from the vertex EN to its opposite side ELM using set square. Put the set square on the side ELM as shown here. Draw the altitude from vertex EN to opposite side ELM and extend it. Then again draw the altitude from vertex EM to opposite side ELM. Put the set square along the line ELM other side on the vertex EM as shown here and draw the altitude from vertex M to ELN. Show the arrow. We know that all of these altitudes are perpendicular to its opposite side. So this angle is 90 degree. Show the sign here. We see that all three altitudes. This one is segment ELA. Segment ELA is the altitude drawn from vertex EL to opposite side EMN, which is this one is perpendicular, and altitude drawn from the vertex, this one is D point EMB, perpendicular to side ELN, and this one is the C point, altitude NC, perpendicular to side ELM. All three altitudes are intersect at one point, therefore these are concurrent, and this point of concurrence of the three altitude of a triangle is called ortho center, and it is denoted by the letter O. This one is the required figure.